Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick Google Sites guide, I'm going to show you how to add a new tab to your navigation bar. You know, the menu across the top of your site. It's super simple, and yeah, it only takes a few steps, so let's jump in. All right, first thing you want to do is open the Google site you're working on. Just pick your site from the list, or create a fresh one if you're starting from scratch. Either way is fine. Next, look over on the right-hand side. You'll see the Pages tab, and this is where all your current site sections live. Click on it so we can add a new one. Now to create the new tab, just hit the button that says New Page at the bottom. Type in the name you want, maybe About or Services or whatever fits your site. Then click Done. That's it. So once the page is created, Google Sites automatically adds it to your navigation bar. Look at the top of your site preview and you should see the new tab show up right away. If not, don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. If the tab is not where you want it, just drag the page up or down inside the Pages panel. Yeah, super quick. You can also make it a sub-page by dragging it under another page, which creates drop-down menus. And if you prefer a side navigation bar instead of a top one, click the settings icon and switch the navigation position. Some layouts look cleaner with side menus, just depends on your style. And that's basically it. You've added a new tab to your Google Sites navigation bar. Pretty easy, right? If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe and check out the other guides. Thanks for watching.